Oh my gosh, good morning guys. It is day number 2 and it is so windy out here, you guys. Oh my gosh. But yeah, here's our place. Everyone's just chilling. We just got done eating breakfast. And yeah, look at it. So that's what it looks like. That's our view. Isn't that insane? Oh,
isn't that a cool view, YouTube?
Isn't it freezing out here, bro? It's
yeah,
so cold. It's so cold. Oh my gosh. Yeah, but there's the mansion way over there. We're gonna go swimming over there today. It's pretty sweet. But yeah, this view is just so amazing. Oh, I love it. Yeah, let's go see what everyone's doing. Oh, ow! That was an acorn. Oh, jeez. All right.
Wow, is it cold out there, Rick?
It's freezing. Here's my bed. This is where I'm sleeping.
Yeah.
Boy.
It's really comfortable.
Boy. Don't mess with me. It's my bed. But yeah, I got a sweet view though. Look at. Ugh. So when I'm sleeping, that's what I see. That's what I see right there. Yeah, buddy. So yeah, it's pretty sweet.
I burnt myself on TV. I don't have it loud. You burnt yourself?
Right now I'm just uploading today's. It's still processing. But yeah, I'm super excited. But yeah, guys, today we're probably gonna go swimming down in the hotel. And it's gonna be pretty cool. I'll be able to use a GoPro underwater. I'm really excited to see what it looks like. Yeah, in the mansion.
That's what they call it.
Sorry, not the hotel, in the mansion. But yeah. Bro, tell everyone where we're going.
The caves.
Going.
Mount Constipation.
Mount Constitution.
I like
Little mountain on the island. That's where we're gonna be going. And but yeah, we're gonna go. And apparently there's like a mine shaft, an old mine shaft or something like that. Isn't that right, Mama?
Yep, it's an old mine.
There's an old mine, so I don't know what to expect, but
We were hoping to find gold, but it didn't happen.
yeah, the Boyle family's gonna come in and find it themselves. So yeah, I'm good. So I'm gonna head to the car. Let's see.
Did Daddy already head out there?
Yeah, he's already out there.
Oh, he's already out there?
Yeah.
Oh, we gotta go, guys.
Yep.
Are they coming to get us?
We're meeting them down at the resort.
Let's go. Got my vitamin water in my blender bottle. Didn't think about bringing Gamma. Who's gonna bring Gamma to vacation? Alright, there we go, let's head to the car. I gotta make sure that I keep this up more. Cause I feel like down here, all you can see is like here, you know. I gotta keep it up so you guys can see my hair and all that. Fancy hair. I got a haircut, hopefully you guys like it. But yeah, we're heading up to the car. I think we're taking the Audi today. Woo! Love the Audi. Are we taking the Audi then?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
taking the Audi.
You
Oh.
betcha.
Oh, Audi, yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, sweet. Well, the mountain was closed. That's a bummer.
So we were going up to Constitution. That's where
We're going to Mount Constitution and it's closed because it's like super windy right now. So
I definitely don't want to
do it again
leave here without going to Constitution.
Constipation. Mount Constipation.
Dad, we need to see the Constipation Cave.
Yeah, but yeah, we'll definitely have to go back maybe during this week some other time. But where are we going now, Mom? Do you know?
Mount Entrance.
Mount
It's called
Entrance.
Mount Entrance.
Have we done that one yet?
No.
I don't think we've.
That's the one we were going to do tomorrow, but we'll do it today.
All right, so Mount Entrance. Hopefully it's.
It's going to be beautiful. It's steep, it's short, but it's like
Your car.
I'm excited though. So at least we have another place we can go right now. I'm leading the crew. The crew. The crew. They're coming. Yeah.
Double up on the GoPro.
Woo! Let's go. Jaden! such a cool hike. Yeah, sweet. I swear I gotta be careful. Where are we right now?
I don't know, where are we?
Hey, yo.
Where are we, you two?
Hey!
Hello! You guys.
Hello. We made it. We made it to the top.
Can't feel anything, guys! But it was awesome.
It's so sweet up here. Look at this view, guys. This is huge. Maybe a complete 360.
Only hear the wind.
Yeah, it's windy. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. Well, they got their own, all the houses down there, and look at this cliff. Oh, that'd be so bad if it dropped this. Jaden, what are you doing? I didn't expect to find you over here. What are you doing? Oh no! He's down! No! Clear! What are you doing? Was that a frog?
That was me.
I could swear I heard like a crow.
I croaked.
Oh. No? Was it geese? You broke your skull? That's always nice. You broke his skull. That's always just wonderful.
Hi, YouTube.
Say
Now
hello.
you know the truth.
Now you know the truth. Oh, I can't go swimming, bro.
I know.
I'm so excited. Probably because I can use the GoPro underwater. These trees. What up? We just took the hill! Alright guys, we just got down into the pool. This is like the basement area. It's super sweet. Look at these old safes. Oh my gosh. These things are huge. Look at that. But yeah, we're in the basement of the mansion right now. And it's really cool. They have like a little dance studio or hall or whatever. You know, all these like, I don't know, like pedicure and manicure stuff over there. But yeah, here's the pool. This is very sweet. Wow, this is cool looking. So, you know, I mean, a decent size pool. You know, not too crazy, but I think it's pretty sweet. The mansion has two other pools that are both outside, which we can't go at now because, you know, it's winter time. But yeah, this place is sweet. I like
All
it.
the history?
Yeah. Yeah, this is cool. I like it. So yeah, it should be pretty sweet. But yeah, we're gonna go change. So I'll see you guys in the pool.